Sorry in enough, but also sorry without a hiccup. Until you came to a world, life was wonderful. I couldn't bask in the early morning sun or realize the massive river sunset. I couldn't feel raindrops taking my hands or the cool breeze blowing, leaving me in jacket of autumn leaves. But you being in Funland were unwary of me getting diagnosed with Wilson disease. I thought it would be a pleasant beginning with you beside my arms, my heart beating loudly in your mind from Dynamic. But on that grateful day, I was about to propose you, I took my first hand. Body consumed with anger in this boiling sea, I spit fire at you publicly and the view of dignity. When I look up at the sky, all I see is dark clouds smoldering into red, wishing at yourself, want to die in arms, holding you. The rose needed to bloom, the rose was June. It only needed you, but you left, and it bled, no one hearing its bleeding cry. Darkened hearts shouting, apologies in the sky, as night turned to day, but sorry came down. Thank you.